Okay, so I wanted to do a video now on the rational mind and how it's actually a problem and not a solution, especially because the last 100 years or so there's been such an amount of progress because of logical thinking and rational mind taking over so many areas wherever we look. We realize that professions all require a degree of being sensible, and how that has affected society, and how it's actually a massive problem. It's like a cancer. We can't use the rational mind all the time, everywhere. It's actually worse to always be thinking, what's the most logical way of going about this problem? What's the most logical solution in this problem? And there's only certain times we should really use our logical mind, and other times we should just let it go. There's too much of it at the moment. And for example, if you go shopping and you have to decide what color you want to buy a t-shirt, blue, pink, or red, and you try to predict the future of this t-shirt. If you think I'll be wearing blue to match my skirt, I'll be wearing red because I want to be an extrovert, or I'll be wearing pink because I just like the color of it, and then so you're trying to make a rational prediction about how you would feel about the color of the t-shirt in the future and what clothes you're matching and so on. And there's just this element of chaos which happens in actual fact. You go home and something totally that you can't even think of will come up, and how you feel about that t-shirt and that color at that point in time, which may be different from that point of time in the shop, or it may be the same, but you can't predict based on logic what the next emotion will be towards that t-shirt. You may have a good night in it, and then you might appreciate some experience you had with that t-shirt, or you might have had a bad night in it, and then you associate it with different things, and the color of it will lead to different scenarios and so on. And to try to make a logical explanation of why you should choose one color over the other is the same thing as how we approach other problems in life, and why should we use our logical brain to make solutions. It actually obstructs the solution. The solution is to just let yourself, or whatever that is, decide things. And that is letting go of what you perceive the self to be as a logical self. That's not deciding things. That's blocking the self. You understand, maybe. Yeah, sit on it.